Hey everyone, Kristin with Remax. I wanted to talk about for sale by owners because believe it or not, I still see for sale by owners in this market, and it's the one market that I'm actually really baffled to see a for sale by owner. Why is that, you ask? I know you're asking that. You're probably thinking, well, it's a seller's market. I can just stick my sign in the yard and I don't need to pay a realtor's commission for it because it's going to be easy. It's going to sell really quick. Right? I got friends who are realtors on social media. I see them posting multiple offers and sold in one day. So, yes, it's a seller's market. Does that mean that it's easy? No. There are a lot of things that can happen. First of all, if you have a for sale by owner, I kind of feel bad for you right now because I do feel like you're leaving money on the table and there's so much going on. I can't imagine the stress that you're dealing on your own because you didn't choose to hire a professional to help you with any advice. So if you're lucky enough to get an offer on your property, good for you. But because of the lack of exposure, you have lack of competition. And then if you do get multiple offers, again, lucky you. But how are you going to navigate and interpret those offers to really understand which one's best? There's been so many changes. Here's another reason why I feel bad for sale by owners. So many changes with lending and restrictions. There's been delays with title, skeleton crews at county for filing. It's a team effort when another realtor is working with another realtor and the title company and the home warranty company. Everyone's really legitimately working extra hard, working together to get this thing closed on time. And there's been delays, unexpected delays that can happen as well, and just throw a wrench into everything. So that's the reason. Those are the reasons why I'm kind of asking myself, what are you thinking when I see a for sale by owner sign right now? So if you know someone who's selling by owner, I would encourage them to just be open to have a conversation with a realtor right now. We're not that bad. But we can also give them some free advice if they still decide to want to pursue being a for sale by owner on their own. So thanks for listening. If anybody has any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. And of course, I hope you have a great day. Thanks.